love you. Bye-bye. Hi, Jo. Here's blueberry cheesecake for you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Jo. Good morning. Good afternoon. Happy birthday. Ito regalo ko sa'yo. Pagpasensya mo na, turon lang. Anong bago? Congratulations nga pala, natapos mo 10 kilometers mo. Birthday run.
We made it, Jo. We made it.
Congratulations!
Libre mo ako ha. Huwag kismusin sa teammates ha.